If you're looking for a way to ease neck and shoulder pain, you may want to try an inversion table. Inversion therapy involves hanging upside down or at an inverted angle to decompress the spine and relieve pressure on the discs and nerves. This type of therapy has become increasingly popular in recent years, and there are now a number of different inversion tables on the market to choose from. To help you find the best inversion table for your needs, we've compiled a list of the 10 best options currently available. We've included a variety of different tables to suit different budgets and needs, so you're sure to find the perfect one for you. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Teeter FitSpine X3 inversion table. The Teeter LX3 is a high-quality inversion table that offers a great deal of support and comfort. The grip and stretch handholds help with decompression and realignment, while the 8-point floating suspension system provides enhanced compression and a greater range of motion. The machine has preset angles of 20, 40 and 60 degrees, plus an aerospace-grade, stainless steel S-Reach ankle lock system and ergonomic, patented, ankle cups. The inclusion of the lumbar bridge support and trigger point release acupuncture nodes makes this inversion table FDA registered and safety certified. It can accommodate 300 pounds, and there is a 5-year warranty. Some users found this inversion table heavy and hard to assemble, and some complained about the high price tag, but it is built to last and aids with issues such as sciatica, herniated disc, muscle tension and muscle spasms. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Innova inversion table. The Innova ITX 9600 is a heavy-duty inversion table that features 6 angle slots for varied positions and a padded, adjustable headrest, soft foam handlebars and padded backrest. It can accommodate up to 300 pounds in weight and has an ergonomic ankle holding system, which is also reversible. The Innova ITX 9600 has 3 adjustable modes to ensure that you find the optimum center of gravity for comfortable inversion. You can also fold and store Innova ITX 9600 if space is an issue. Some users were uncomfortable with the placement of the ankle cuffs in the front instead of the back, and some noted it was not ideal for persons of short stature despite the height adjustment option. On the plus side, it can accommodate persons of large stature, and the padded feature is ideal for older adults suffering from arthritis, sciatica and other backaches and pain. At number 3 on our list, we have the Ironman Gravity highest weight capacity. The Ironman Gravity inversion table is a device that is designed to help with back pain. It features airsoft technology, which allows for the flow of air in different chambers to comfortably fit the ankles. For added security, there is a double lock, ratchet tooth mechanism, along with an easy-to-reach, palm-activated, ankle locking system. It has an extra thick, oversized memory foam backrest and a removable lumbar pillow for extra lower back support. It can accommodate up to 350 pounds thanks to the extra wide steel frame and has non-skid floor stabilizers to prevent the device from moving during use. However, some users have found that the number of pieces required for setup can be frustrating and that many nuts and bolts are missing in their package. Additionally, some users find it hard to come out of the ankle straps after use. Nonetheless, the Ironman Gravity inversion table can accommodate a heavier weight than other devices, making it ideal for persons with taller, larger frames. At number 4 on our list, we have the Exerputic inversion table. The Exerputic inversion table is a great choice for those looking for a quality inversion table at a good price. This table uses patent-pending airsoft technology, similar to the Ironman Gravity inversion table, and also features the Sure-Lock ratchet system for added stability and safety. The crossbar offers 3 angle adjustments and can position to a 165-degree vertical inversion. Exerputic also boasts foam backrest and foam-covered handlebars allowing for an easy upright position. The device is UI certified and has a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds and can accommodate a minimum height of 4 feet 9 inches and up to 6 feet 6 inches. At an added cost, you can also opt for the table with a vibration and heat pillow, which provides 2 massage options and 3 vibration levels. This feature requires an electrical outlet for use. This inversion table does not invert to 90 degrees and users noted that it does not fold in a way that makes it easy to store. However, it comes at a good price and has lots of positive reviews from customers who experienced pain relief from using the device. At number 5 on our list, we have the Harrison Heavy Duty Inversion Table. The Harrison Inversion Table is a great product for people who suffer from neck and back pain. The product features a sponge foot cover, non-slip mat and protective pedal cover and cap. The product also has a high-quality safety belt that can be adjusted to your body. The heavy-duty, triangle steel frame can accommodate up to 350 pounds, and the 3D memory foam backrest helps to relieve pressure during use. Harrison's ergonomic design makes for added sturdiness and conforms to the curve of your waist to relieve neck pain and pressure, as well as back pain. The reversible ankle holding system eliminates heavy pressure on your ankles, and the foam-covered handlebars and non-slip lumbar support is for added safety. Furthermore, the machine can be adjusted from 20 to 180-degree angle, and the height can be adjusted from 4 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 5 inches. At number 6 on our list, we have the Body Vision IT9550 Deluxe Inversion Table. The Body Vision IT9550 table can accommodate up to 250 pounds and users from 513 all the way up to 663. For added comfort, you can enjoy the adjustable headrest and detachable lumbar support pad. It gives the option of 4 positions. The 20-degree angle is the easiest and is for beginners. The 40-degree and 60-degree options are for experienced users, and experts can utilize the full 90-degree position. The Body Vision IT9550 also boasts an ankle holding system with foam rollers in the back and front that offer padding for your shins while your feet hold you in place. At number 7 on our list, we have the Innova Health and Fitness ITM 5900. This inversion table doesn't just offer inversion therapy, but provides heat and massage therapy without the hefty price tag. The patent-pending massage pad has an automatic and manual setting, as well as a multi-mode setting, and is designed to cover the entire spine area. It also comes equipped with a contour-integrated lumbar pad to provide precise heat and massage therapy in your lower back. The device boasts a true balance system with adjustable headrest and height adjustment, also featuring an easy-to-adjust 6-angle pin system and protective cover. It has an improved ergonomic ankle holding system that has a larger holder in the front and a smaller holder in the rear to alleviate the pressure on the ankle while you are inverted. At number 8 on our list, we have the Healthgear ITM 5500 Advanced Technology. Much like the Innova, the inversion table from Healthgear also offers a vibrating massage and advanced heat therapy option. The massage pad is operated via remote control and is also removable. Another great feature is the SureLock ankle support system, which has 4 large, high-density foam leg rollers to prevent your calf from pinching. Furthermore, the extra long locking arm means you won't do too much bending when getting in and out of the inversion table. Healthgear has 4 positions: 20, 40, 60, and 90, and users must range in height from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches. The maximum user weight capacity is 300 pounds. At number 9 on our list, we have the Teeter FitSpine LX9 Inversion Table. This is another FDA-registered inversion table from Teeter. With its higher price tag over the Teeter FitSpine X3, the Teeter LX9 gives you a few more features and benefits over the X3. The frame is thicker on the LX9 and you get a storage caddy built into the table to store your personal items such as a water bottle or your mobile. However, the main reason you'd want to spend a few $100 more on this model than the X3 is down to its greater accessibility. It comes with a boarding platform to help make the process of getting onto the table easier. Furthermore, the arch in the frame creates a more suitable angle for mounting the table. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Exerputic 975 SL All-Inclusive Heavy Duty. The Exerputic 075 SL inversion table sells for almost half the price of the Teeter EP 960 and can accommodate 50 pounds more in weight at a capacity of 350. It also boasts a large, thick foam backrest and extra-wide tubular frame made from steel. The patented control disc brake system allows you to select the inversion angle without getting off the table. Plus, no need to worry about pinch or pain thanks to the airsoft ankle holder. Another familiar feature is the SureLock ankle locking system that is adjustable and palm activated. For added security and safety during inversion, there is the integration of a double lock, ratchet tooth mechanism. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.